So the D-Dare is finally here. I know the anxieties are running high. You don't know how to manage it. Stop thinking about the exam. Just manage the stress by doing whatever you like doing. Don't think about what is going to happen, whether I'll clear it or not. The world is still going to form an opinion in you, whether you perform better or you don't. So don't think about it. Manage the stress. Have some sleep. Between the exams also, try to manage the stress by relaxing. Do not think about the exam, what you've done and what you'll do next. Just try and relax. May the force be with you. All the best.